Hello, Lodgerina members. My name is Brenda Cromer. I am the CEO and co-founder of Frontier Kitchen. As many of you know, your kitchen has been for sale for quite some time, and I wanted to introduce myself to you as the buyer of your kitchen. First thing I want you to know is you are not getting kicked out. I am not a catering company. I'm a business incubator for food companies just like you. We already have 2 kitchens in the DC area, and we wanted to expand up into Pittsburgh for quite some time. So this has been advantageous for everyone involved. As a business incubator, Frontier Kitchen helps entrepreneurs just like you achieve whatever your goal is. So whether that is a national level brand, we've done that, or if that is running a small meal prep business out of a shared kitchen, and anything and everything in between. We're here to help you with that. I'm a former analyst. I was a federal government analyst for 15 years before I decided to start Frontier Kitchen. I did that because I really liked working with entrepreneurs, and my specialty in organizational analytics works just as well with businesses as it does with governments, which is what I did before. My business partner is Cassidy Jones. He's been a chef for the last 25 years in fine dining from Vegas to DC. What does this mean? This means that our knowledge and the knowledge of the teams that we hire to help you are at your disposal. We're creating the networks in Pittsburgh now to help you with whatever it is that you need. That's what we do. Now, the core part of our offering is having a shared kitchen space, because you can't grow a business if you don't have a place to work, right? Our model works a little differently than you're used to. We do not schedule our spaces, because what I learned when I first opened Frontier almost 10 years ago now is you can't run a new business on a schedule. If you have to schedule your kitchen, how do you take that last minute job that gets the call? What happens if you burn something, if you mess something up, or it just doesn't work the way you expect it to? You go into panic mode. That's not a way to run a business. It's not a way to create process, and it is not a way to operate in such a way that you can grow to the best of your ability. We have worked with nearly 1,000 entrepreneurs now here in the DC area. And while I know Pittsburgh is going to be a little different for us, the process remains the same worldwide. So that's what we're here to help you with. In our shared space, we have memberships that are part-time, full-time, and food truck. And they start about where you're working right now. We're going to work that out with each and every one of you. We're going to do that during the first 3 months after we close on the kitchen. We're expected to close by the end of the year. So Q1 of next year, you're going to be paying exactly the same that you're paying today for your kitchen. We're just going to change the model. And person by person, company by company, we're going to work out with you what that model is for you. We have full-time memberships where you can be in the kitchen 24/7. And we have part-time memberships that are nights and weekends for those of you that still have day jobs. We also have Food Truck Depot, where if you cook everything on your truck and you don't need to be using the equipment in the kitchen other than the sink and the dish, then that's cool too. That's even less expensive. Our prices start at $500 a month, which is what a lot of you are paying right now. If you are not there, if you are not ready, our goal is to help you be there, if that's what you want. So I wanted to send this video out. Frontier Kitchen Pittsburgh is going to start close to the first of the year. I will be sending transitionary contracts out to all of you. Let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what you want so we can work together. You'll be seeing me a lot in the first transitionary period. We are going to be making some building changes. We're going to open it up. We're going to put in new coolers, big walk-in coolers and freezers for you. I don't make food. I am not a catering company. You are not sharing my kitchen around my schedule. This kitchen is for you and will be dedicated to you. Like I said, Frontier Kitchen's been operating almost 10 years. We started in 2014. We opened our first kitchen in 2015. We have 2 very large kitchens right now in Northern Virginia. One is 7,600 square feet, which was our first. The second is 12,000 square feet. Now, Lodgerina is a little smaller than that, and that's okay. But we know what we're doing, and that's the reason I tell you this, okay? I'm not going to come in and be a bulldozer, but there will be some changes made, and the whole goal is to help you grow. That's why I do what I do. I get a great deal of satisfaction from the now over 100 companies that I have launched out of Frontier Kitchen, and I want to do that in Pittsburgh too. So there'll be more coming, more on how our process is going to work, more on the building changes that are going to happen, but I just wanted an introductory video for you and to let you know if the email I sent you to get you to this video has my email address. Reach out to me if you have specific questions about your business and how things are going to happen. We'll set up an appointment. I'm going to be up in Pittsburgh a lot. And I'm hiring staff. So if you know somebody who may want a new job, I need a kitchen manager very first thing they're going to start our training before we even finish the closing. We want to hit the ground running with you. We want to make sure that you're comfortable with Frontier Kitchen Pittsburgh, which is, I know, not an original name, but I'm not very original in naming. And make sure that you're setting your company up, or we can help you to the best of our ability, set up for whatever you define success to be. Let me know if you have any questions. Please send me an email, and I'll be back in touch very soon.